Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Carrie here. So hope you guys are enjoying our C programming to our channel Kodemine. So the guys who still not subscribe our channel, please do subscribe and please do not forget to hit the bell icon for the notification of coming video. So next topic is a program where we can understand the data types of C programming and how to make a sum of two numbers. So this is a very simple program and the trick is here we are doing the sum of two number with different data types. So if you guys see here we have a hash include stdio.h, then we have a void main, and in void main we have a int first value is equal to 10, then float second value is equal to 10.5, and float result we have just declare a variable without any value. So why we have that result? Because it will store the result of some first value and the second value. So in the last line we are printing out the printf sum of two number is percentage f. What is that? We will talk about that, and comma result, right? So that is whole a program, that is a code which is written to do a sum of two numbers. So we will execute that program into the our turbo C++, and we will see that if we find any challenge or not, and one by one I will explain that and write down with you guys. So hope you guys will enjoy this session with me. So if you guys have any query, any question related to any topic, you guys can comment into the comment box, and meanwhile I am opening this turbo C++, and here we need to click on start turbo C++, and we will go into a full screen mode, and here I am going to write down a new file, and I have now hash include, I am adding my header files here stdio.h, and I am going to save my file, right? Yeah, so go to save, or you guys can click F2 also. Save. Here I am writing down sum of two, sum sum of two, right? Dot c. Always remember dot c is important, because you are not writing down in C++, right? That turbo C++ support for both C and C++, but the thing is you are writing down program for C only, so you need to write down sum of 2 dot c. So c.c is an extension of C programs, right? So here we need to start a block void main, right? So why we always need to write down void main? Because main is a the execution of a C program always start from main function, right? So it is always mandatory to write down main. So first of all I have int first value, right? First value is equal to 10, right? So what is that? Int is your data type, which means the first value, which is a variable name, right? And its value is 10 and its data type is int, right? Then I have a float, then second value, and second value is 10.5. So again float is a data type here, and I have mentioned that value 10.5 because I want to store 10.5 into a second value variable, so the data type should be float here. Then I need another variable which will store the result of this variable, right? And now there is a trick, right? We need to understand what kind of the data type of the result, right? 10 plus 10.5, the result should be 20.5, right? The 25 is what? It's a float. It means my the result variable will be float, right? So here is that. So right now I'm not doing anything here, and I am simply do operation result is equal to first value plus second value, right? And semicolon. After each and every statement we need to put semicolon into a C program, because it tells the compiler the end of a line. The printf function we use to print any statement, any line on the screen. So what is that? The value. So I am writing down value. So I am add on something here for our better understanding. So value of first variable, value of first, simply make it a simple. This is percent d. Why percent d? Because percent d will replaced with the variable name I put here, first value, right? And again here I can add on slash n. Why slash n? So we will discuss about later. Slash n is basically put the cursor into a new line, so that whatever we print after this line, value of first colon slash d, that comes into the next line. Then we have a print f, and we will write down this thing here, the value of second. Then this is float, then we need to write on f. We use percentage d for the for the integer data types, and percentage f for the to print the value of float variable. So here it is second value. So that is here, and we need to now print the result, and I am writing down printf, and here I have the sum of two numbers, right? And percentage f again. Why? Because it is also a float, and comma, then I have a result here, right? And I need to first of all save this program, and I need to add one more function here, with get ch. Why? Because the screen will not still, it will just give you a blink and go away. So to make a stable of screen, I write down here get ch. So let me compile the program. So here is a one error. What is that? So unable to open include stdio. So here is a spelling mistake. Instead of stdio, I write down studio. So I am saving it up, and again I am going to compile it, and you guys can see now we have compiled our program, and we don't have any error. So we guys can run this program now, and we guys can see output. So I have run the program, and you guys can see now output. The value of first is 10, the value of second is 10.5. So by default, the float variable, the float data type take the 6 digit after decimals, right? And the sum of two numbers is 20.500, which is again 20.5. So normally it take 6 by default. We can also manipulate that, and that is for today's program, and hope you guys will understand this thing. And if you guys have any query, any question, you guys can ask into the comment box, and you guys can reach us to the to email which is given into the about section. And hope you guys enjoying this series. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family, so that they can also gain their knowledge. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.